Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be learning how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x minus 5 to its lowest terms. By the end of this video, you will have the skills and knowledge to confidently simplify this expression. Let's get started. To begin reducing the rational expression x squared minus 25 divided by x minus 5 to its lowest terms, we first factor the numerator. The expression x squared minus 25 is a difference of squares, which factors into x plus 5 times x minus 5. This alters the expression from x squared minus 25 over x minus 5 to x plus 5 times x minus 5 over x minus 5. Now, we can see that there is a common factor of x minus 5 in both the numerator and the denominator. To proceed with reducing the expression, we notice the common factor x minus 5 in both the numerator and the denominator. By cancelling out x minus 5 from both the numerator and the denominator, we simplify the expression. This reduces the original rational expression to x plus 5. This is the final step in our calculation. Therefore, the expression simplifies to x plus 5.